Hello everyone, this is Cosmos Airdrop. In today's video, I will be discussing the Snowball Buzzdrop. Now, this is a campaign where you can earn the Snow AI token by just completing the tasks on their social media and engaging with the ChainGPT community. Now, it's like playing where you can earn points by participating and also sharing information about the Snowball, especially on Twitter. Now I'll show you the step-to-step processes on how you can participate and earn your point for this site. But first of all, I would like you guys to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to go ahead and like this video that you're watching right now. You can go ahead and also drop your comment about this video. So let's go back to what we have today. So go to the Snowball Buzzdrop page, which I'll be leaving right there on the Telegram group. So once you have connected to your Twitter account, which you should be doing next, you're going to complete your KYC verification. Now this is like a one-time thing that you're going to do. So once you verify your ID, your account is simply open. Now what you can do to earn points is just by posting about this platform on Twitter. I'm also going to be dropping the different tags that you're going to be tagging right there on the description of this video. So if you post this if you post about this platform right there on Twitter and tag them, you're going to be getting different tags. As you can see, the different tags right there on the screen. So I'm going to post around about them and I just tag them right here. So I'll be earning a lot from that. So you earn points, you earn a lot of points from each post, and get bonus points for using the these certain tags that I told you about and mentioning the chat GPT related tags. So don't forget that you can also stake your CGPT token to get more automatic points boost. So you can refer friends to also earn your points. So how does this point calculated? So these points are calculated based on your social media engagement, like this your CGPT staking and other activities. So the more you participate, the more the points you will earn. So this campaign will distribute over 4 million this Snow AI token to participants that participate earlier starting now. So the tokens will be allocated based on the total points earned during this campaign, and also the 30% of these tokens will be available immediately, but the remaining 70 will be shared in the next 6 months. What you're going to do is to post high quality content so that they will be able to give you more scores. So engage with other users to build your reputation right here in this platform, and also refer friends. So the most important news that you should know about this platform is that this campaign runs from September 1st 2025 to November 17th 2025. Now this IDO pre-order starts on November 20 2025. So certain countries are not allowed to participate in this airdrop. Example, the United States, they are being restricted from this airdrop. So that is it for today's video about this Snowball Buzzdrop airdrop campaign. So thanks for watching Cosmos Airdrop. If you found this video informative, please like, comment and subscribe for more crypto related content. See you guys in the next video.